very sunny day in Campbay after the winter. I'm very excited that we are mounting 14 JA panels on an existing system for a client. You'll notice that we're using a specific clamp that is bolted to the roof. There's no holes made in the actual roof itself, and it's fitted on the bottom end with 2 Allen keys. So especially in windy conditions in Campbay, because of the quality of equipment that we're using, should these panels actually come loose and they leave the house, the whole roof will have to be uplifted. This is a bit more expensive, but yet again, difference between SST and a smaller company.